Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 8th of November, 2018. Our weather today looks like we're looking at 41 degrees for the high, 31 degrees for the low tonight. There is a 10% chance of rain or snow depending on when it happens. It looks like there's going to be some snow this weekend. So in order to be safe, we need to make sure that we're keeping our hands and feet to ourselves at all times and report problems to an adult while we're in the restroom. Here's an important one. Use, flush, wash your hands. Right now we're getting into that time of the year where we're talking about flu and that kind of stuff. Make sure that you wash your hands and dry them underneath the air vents, or if you're in your classroom bathroom, make sure you're using paper towel. While you're in the restroom, using a voice level of 1. And of course, we'll talk more about this tomorrow, but always being respectful while you're in the bathroom. Give people their privacy. All right, some staff announcements. November 9th is a half day for students. We will not have specials that day, so that is going to be just our afternoon rotation that we would normally have. Our lunch today, we're looking at a chicken sandwich on a whole grain bun, shredded romaine, honey mustard, baked beans, banana, those crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow we're looking at Smucker's Uncrustables or soy jam or PBJ graham crackers. That is a mouthful. Apple slices, crunchy baby carrots, Wango mango juice. Sounds delicious. All right, now let's look at special announcement. Just a reminder that we are still continuing with our war on grumbling. We do have the box in the office, so if you need to come down and put something in, something that you're grateful for, something you're thankful for, come on down and put that in. Make sure you have your teacher's permission in order to do that. Don't forget conferences are next week. That means that Tuesday through Friday are half days for our students, and we have conferences in the afternoon and in the evening on those days. Remember, if you have some costumes you'd like to donate, they can be donated here at school or they can be donated at the Raven Cafe through November 21st. Today is going to be our All Green celebration for the month of October, so congratulations to those of you Voyagers who have done a fantastic job through the month of October. Our third graders will start at 2 p.m., our fourth graders at 2:25, and our fifth graders at 2:50 p.m. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. Here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please make sure, as always, Voyagers, that you are doing things the Voyager way. And as always, go Voyagers!